Alright, new Windows Forms app, here we go. I should be. I am live. Okay. Yeah, the usual way. Alright. Hey, thumbs. Really? You have weird hobbies. That's all I'm saying. Do you think you're going to fool me that you've got Visual Basic up behind you and what do you got on your Chromebook? Oh, good. Carry on. That's what I want to hear. Lab 7.1, could you? Thank you. This is a random number list, right? Or something like that? Stack. That's right. Oh, it's not actually a stack. It's more like a queue. I should probably change its name. Anyway, moving on. Alright, here we go. I got a Form 1 that I need to change the name of. I'm just going to call it random numbers. I'm going to call it random nums. And change the text property. Boom, there we go. Here I need a list box. That might be good. I'll just make it about that big. Sure, that looks great. We're going to need a label for the number. Auto size is of the devil. And I'm going to make it pretty nice looking here. This is going to be LBL. I'm just going to call it LBL number. Why not? Start it off with a nice 0. Let's align that puppy to the middle. Font. What a terrible font. This looks like a lovely font. Actually, that's a terrible font too. I could. It would take me more time. Do you want me to? Okay then. Poor Richard, because I like Ben Franklin. But this is going to have to be a lot bigger. We're going to make this 36. There we go. That's right. Okay. This box 1 has a bad name. LST numbers. And so this is just for display. I don't really care about anything else. And since everything else is sure. I hope everything comes out well for you. In the end.
We're thinking of you.
I am not thinking of you, just so you know.
I'll be with you. Good luck.
I am not, really not. Alright. Good. So I'm going to call this next num. This will be next number. And, you know, this is not probably the best thing to do, but I'm going to make this Poor Richard 2 and make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's not beautiful at all, but you know what? Guided lab, don't care. Okay, we've got everything we need on the form. Let's move on to the code. First things first. I got a name, I got a date. I forgot what year it was for a moment.
Wait, is it 24?
Yeah, it is. Okay. There's going to be randomness, so the first thing I want is a form load. There we go. Randomize. Okay. Well, yes. Now I need to, I've got an array somewhere. I'm sorry, am I boring you? I don't remember saying it's okay to watch videos. And now,
I hope everybody turn off the stream.
yeah, now that's immortalized on the stream. It's why I haven't been using names, but
I'm Nick.
thanks for that.
I'm also Nick. I'm also Nick.
I am Nick. I am Nick.
I am Nick. I'm also Nick. Shut up, John Cena. You're not even here. Yeah.
Can't see me. All right, that's enough. Anyway, moving on.
Into the void.
Where were we? Right. I'm only going to be loading up the array once. Oh, speaking of the array. And I think I wanted 100 of them? I don't remember. Is it 100 or 99? It's 100. Numbered from 0 to 99. Ha! All right, there we go. I only need to initialize the array once, so cool. Let's create an int I here. I already know that it's 0 to 99, so I can just say 0 to 99. I could say int array dot length? Size. Length. Which one is it, VB? I get it mixed up between this and Java. I could do that. I don't need to because I know it's 99. Although, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to create a constant. And that way I can change it whenever I want to. Ha. Int array of int I is assigned int rnd times 20, and I'm going to make it 1 through 20 because, you know, D&D. That's pretty much it. And then when I'm done with that, I am going to do something I am going to do more than once. And that is display. Wait a minute, there is no display. That's true. I'm going to make it. But here's the beautiful thing about abstraction is if I make my sub, I don't ever have to make it again. And not only that, I don't have to care when I'm coding other stuff how it works. It just does. Yep. I'm sorry, what? Me, 0.
Well, that's not enough. You need at least 5.
5?
Yes. Otherwise, Todd, how you have to kill you?
So like 1 for PlayStation, 1 for Xbox.
You gotta get a Switch copy too.
Is it out for Switch?
Yeah.
All right, so Switch, PC.
There's 2 versions for several consoles. There's the normal version. Yeah, there are
Cute.
multiple versions for both PlayStation.
All right, moving on. I've cleared whatever's in the number list, and now I'm going to load it up with whatever's in the array. So that's also going to be another for loop. And I need another variable. All right, so yeah, I'll just do it in one line. I'm sorry, am I interrupting? Thank you. Add, and we're going to add a string, and that string is going to be int I and a colon, and VB tabbed, make things all nice and tabular. And I'm sorry? What was that question?
In the chat for the live stream, he said lyrics to his songs.
Never gonna give you up. Ooh, give you.
Down,
Nah.
What song is that from?
Excuse what? You don't know about excuse. I'm gonna give you up. That's okay.
Oh, look.
I don't. I listened to the.
Yeah, no one.
I just looked at the I just looked at the things and everyone apparently left the stream. So.
I'm here.
Oh, okay.
I am present. Oh no, I did that.
All right, moving on. I think. All right. That's pretty much all it needs to do, I think. Yep, that's all it needs to do. All right, so our display is there. It's good. All is well. There. Now, when I click the button, a few things need to happen. I need to move the 0th element of the array into the label. I need to move everything down one, and then at the very end, I need to put that in the thing. So here's how that works. First, let's see, do I need, yeah, I do. So I'm going to need a counting variable of some sort. I think that's all I need for variables. Let's see, your LBL number dot text shall be assigned int array of 0. And then for int I equals 0 to int len minus 1, because I don't want to walk off the end of the array. Int array of int I equals int array of int I plus 1. And that's pretty much all I need to do there. Then we need to get the new one. That's going to be this, except instead of that, it's going to be int len, the last one. And then display. And that, I think, should do it, yeah? Let's find out. Is a good time to test, yes. Thank you, thank you. Let me just double check that that's done. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. All right. What is next?
I think that was it.
That was it with that. So, close project, new project. This is lab 7.4. Slice of pie?
Yeah.
Really good.
What is the comment this time?
Yes, what is the comment this time?
I spelled y'all wrong. And I'm getting.
How did you spell y'all wrong?
How do I spell it? Why?
Y apostrophe LL is definitely not how you spell it.
That's how I spell it.
No.
It is, I would argue, it's how teenagers say it. Yo.
Or that's how my family and I say it.
I mean, you drop enough other letters.
Y'all keep the spelling.
I mean, I basically slur all my words together, so it's like basically impossible to tell which
Why
one
don't-
is which unless I'm like deliberately
Y'all.
obvious.
I feel like I should kill the live chat.
Don't.
What?
Please
No.
don't.
That's the best part. But it's a learning tool.
It's interesting.
Really?
It's very constructive.
Not to mention, we even taught Mariana about Rickroller.
Anyway. Ooh, I can put users in timeout.
No.
Yep.
All right, let's get back to this. As much as this is fun, I can't spell my own name. Here we go. If you want to instantly annoy me, call me Aaron. All right, FRM slice of pie, right? Slice of pie. Okay, so this one's actually pretty simple in that alright, let's see here. You go in timeout, and you go in timeout, and you go in timeout. Everybody goes in timeout.
Get out of my room, I'm playing Minecraft. Delton. Message Delton. I didn't get deleted. You spelled deleted. My own Delton.
Alright, I think that's everybody. Did I miss anybody?
Did you place a I said, how about y'all finish it?
No, I didn't. I just put everyone in timeout. Oh, did I miss C?
You did. But I only said one thing.
You only said like one thing, so yeah. Alright, moving on.
So mean.
This is awesome.
Yes, I am a big meanie. We need a text box
What lab are we doing now?
for input.
Oh my god.
Wow, thanks for paying attention.
This is all going to show up in the video too.
Yeah, that's...
I love video.
This is... So for parent-teacher conferences, this is what I'm just going to just play this in the background.
Watch this.
My mom.
And just,
my mom
because here's the thing is that the comments are also saved and roll out as the stream as the video goes.
No, my mom would
Most of them are deleted now.
But before they got deleted.
Before they got deleted, though.
We'll see.
All right. All right, let's get some stuff going here.
Jameson talks in the chat.
So there's the napkin size, and that's going to be crumbs, txt crumb.
Wait, the first one's
Napkin size, yep. LBL, napkin size. And measured in crumbs. It's LBL crumbs. Alright. Now, this one I need to quick look up the appropriate class. Quick look up. Yeah. I'm looking for. Alright, I didn't specify whether it needs to be a pop-up or just a label. Is it? Because I don't think it is.
No, pop-up is a label. That's what I have at least.
Yeah, I'm gonna, yeah. Yeah, actually, that's what I'm gonna do too. Center it horizontally in the form. And then I want to label here. And you stop auto-sizing. So you're kind of an important label. Do that. And this is going to be LBL pi. And it'll start out by saying pi equals, and that's it. I'll just say pi equals. All right. Yeah, I can sneak that up. Make that look a little better, and my perfectionism is showing, so I'm going to stop doing that now. We need to fix that name of that button. BTN. Does anybody use but, B-U-T, for button? Just, yes, just so that you can keep saying but in your head. Part of me wants to say calculate, but part of me wants to say eat that pie.
Eat that pie.
Uh-oh. It's not big enough, which means... Alright. Okay, we know what comes first. Arian. I have made that typo so many times in my life. I might as well change my name to Arion.
What? I don't do anything.
I said Ariana, but I did not say your name.
Oh.
I would add a reference.
Randomize. There we go. And we're going to need... Huh. I don't think we need a global array. Because you can just make it on the spot, yeah. I do need to do a couple of things here, and one of those things is text align to the right, because number. And we're going to start it with a very tiny... Actually, you know what? Let's start it with a good number. And let's start this one with a good number in case people want to use it. So we'll do, I don't know, 500 crumbs. There we go. I did 2,500 and 500, but it doesn't really matter. It just gives the user the idea, and also you can just run it straight off the bat. All right, we randomize. Good. All right. So I'm going to actually put this in a couple of different subs, because I don't want to have everything in a giant if statement. Nope, 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 nope. Sorry, wrong language. Error, blink style. What are you doing? Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Trump isn't even.
Don't get me started. Don't even get me started. Yeah, you know what? I'm just going to do it this way. Nope, can't do it. Gotta do it this way. I mean, I could do it cranky, but I'm not gonna. Yeah. There. I suppose I could do it in a great big row, but nah, you know what? That's fine. All right, we got error checking done. We've got our randomizing done. Let's do the main business of getting this done. All right. Let's do a couple things here. Um, hmm. Actually, suppose I can make this a Boolean. All right. All right. That's our old favorite int I for int I equals 0 to sure, why not? Int napkin size. This isn't precise, but you know what? I don't care. Nope, not in napkin size, in crumbs. So for all the crumbs, actually crumbs minus 1, because we started at 0. Actually, I like starting at 1 better than I like starting at going to minus 1. So for every crumb, start doing a thing. This really should be napkin size. Minus 1, comma, int napkin size, minus 1. There we go. So it goes from 0 to blah, blah. So now we've got our two-dimensional napkin. We've got to start dropping crumbs. What's going on? What are we doing? Wine ends.
What?
Yes, this is comp sci
Oh,
too.
it's not me, thank God.
Yes, for once. It's not you.
I'm that bad of a person.
That wasn't an R shout out.
I don't know, whatever I did, I don't know what.
Okay,
What?
the immediate answer to Winans' question is yes. However, I don't think they'll be available over the summer. Huh?
Oh my god.
However, I don't think they'll be available over the summer. It was good to see you. Catch you later. Yeah, feel free to look around and laugh at my terrible coding. All right, where were we? I was going to crumbs, do while. Okay, so we need to find a space that doesn't have a crumb in it. So let's see. Do all right. Int x equals int rnd time int napkin size. Int y also equals a different int. What? Where are we going?
He got.
Oh, you're done already? Show off.
Oh, it's like that.
Int blue napkin. Int x, int y equals false. All right, so that'll go until we find a napkin that is crap. I just found another. I just realized there's another error state. So what happens if there's more crumbs than napkin?
Yes. Eagle problem.
Yep. All right, so this is going to be a message box. Insufficient napkin size. All right, that should fix it. Probably. I don't know. All right. Blue napkin, int x, int y equals true. Okay. So that should seed our crumbs. Now all we have to do is find all of the spots on the napkin that are within pi of, or within the arc. So we're going to use int I again. Equals 1, 2. This time we're going to go through the whole napkin. So int napkin size -1. Oh man, I've suddenly lost it. All right. Because it's a two-dimensional array, so I need to do two-dimensional things. I suppose I could just reuse X and Y. Doesn't matter. We're already here. Yep, nope. I see it. And I am willing to concede 32 bits for not having to go back and delete it. Blah, 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 blah. What am I doing? All right. What would be better? Check to see if it's in the range first, or check to see if it's actually a crumb first? I think crumb, because I think that will... Right. I mean, you could go either way. The question is, which of those is going to eliminate more possibilities? The problem with that is you don't know how many crumbs there are. If there are less than pi divided by 4 crumbs times the size of the napkin squared, then it's better to look for crumbs. So it's probably crumbs is safer, yeah. Actually, I think we just need true. So if it's not true, it's just not even going to bother to do any of this. Or the square root of int I squared plus int j squared, right? Well, right, but then it's distance formula. So if squirt int I squared plus int j squared is less than or equal to int napkin size, yes. Hey, look what I forgot to do. Yeah, I think it is. Yep, that should do it. And then we can do the answer, which I believe is actually, you know what? These should. You're right. And I don't feel like fixing that. So moving on. And we should be good to go, right?
Is it okay if we multiply at the end by 40 just so we can get 3 divided by 4?
We have to multiply by 4.
No, after 40.
Why did you multiply by 40?
I don't know.
So
I was just getting points here.
pi is the ratio of the stuff in the all of it, or sorry, in the circle divided by the stuff in all of it.
Let's multiply by 40.
Wait, what? And that should magically work. Let's see where it crashes. I am utterly...
What are you doing?
I feel like something's wrong here. That's what's wrong. Error insufficient napkin size. You ran it and then said insufficient napkin size? Oh, because it came in there. Fine. That should work. There we go. So why is yours coming up a magnitude of 10 short? All right. So those are the thingies. Oh, yeah, we should probably stop debugging. And there we go. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, Microsoft. What are we going to do with you? All right. And I guess, what are you doing?
What are we doing?
Why are you copying and pasting a news article one?
What? That's not the script to Die Hard or anything. I don't know.
Obviously, it worked. I extracted it. That's over here. Make sure.
Literally just.
Oh.
All right.
Literally taking care of.
Okay, everybody, remember to like and subscribe and
Woo!
click the
Woo!
what's the bell thing?
Woo!
Notification.
Notifications.
Hit
Get
the notifications
notifications.
button and make
Woo!
sure you like and subscribe, and all have a great
I got-
day. Thank you.
Do you want to? Do you want me to give you the? Should I just give you the mic and you can do the sign off?
Please.
Okay, here you go.
Really good.
Go for it.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to hit that bell button, and don't forget, have a great day. Peace.